clear going through it. So let me get that out clear. To the rest of persons who had constructive criticism, let me give some clarity to what I'm saying so that we can have an understanding, a clear understanding. Firstly, I did not say Indecom was the root of the problem. I did not say Indecom is the sole reason for the spike in crime. I'm telling you what I know for a fact. What is also contributing to the spike of crime in Jamaica. I'm not guessing, I'm telling you. And secondly, before I go into that example, at no point in time did I say you should get rid of Indecom. I did not say that. I said Indecom has too much authority. That is what I said. There has to be an oversight body for the police. I agree with that also because I don't support slackness. I don't support corruption. I don't support any form of unlawful or illegal activity. And I am giving the commissioner permission and the commissioner's office permission to give any media house who requires my file from a copy of my file from the commissioner office. I am giving you permission. Give them a copy of my file. So let's move past that. I don't want anybody to come on my page, come talk foolishness as if I don't even think you're talking to an idiot. So let's go back to the real matter at hand. An example of what I'm talking about when I say Indecom has too much authority. A police officer was home, sleeping in his bed. His wife and his 5-year-old son beside him. Men broke into his house. His wife was fortunate to hear the commotion outside and wake him up. Man in the house. Of course, his natural reaction is reach for his gun. And God bless him enough that he was able to get around the gun just in time. The criminal boy opened him door, came in with the gun and said, "Nobody no move." And he got a gunshot. He started to fire. He shot in the bed. Thanks be to God, the policeman, why? Now his child was not shot. God direct that bullet to go in between the baby and the wife and lodge in the bed. And the police officer was able to return the fire. And the boy was shot and killed inside the house. In the policeman house, 4 o'clock in the morning. Indecom came to investigate the shooting. For what? I don't know, but that's the authority they have. And what pisses me off is not that Indecom came to investigate the shooting. Is that Indecom wanted to question the policeman's 5-year-old son. Nothing that boy could have said is admissible in court. And the young man, the baby, just went through the trauma of being shot at by a criminal element. His mother was shot at. His father was shot at. Traumatized, and Indecom is saying they want to question the 5-year-old boy. And you're going to tell me that these people don't have too much authority? What if you don't know what you're talking about? Shut them out. Because I am telling you what is happening in Jamaica. Indecom said they want to have conversation with a 5-year-old boy about the shooting. Do you know why too? Let me tell you why. In the Indecom Act it says, if the Indecom officer believes that you are lying, they can charge you for lying to an Indecom officer. Now, well-thinking Jamaicans, I know quite a few, even though you disagree with me, some of you disagree with me, you are still well-thinking Jamaicans. Isn't the purpose of Indecom to investigate the abuses by police, the excessive use of force by police? Isn't that the purpose? I mean, isn't that why Jamaicans as a whole want to have an oversight body for the police force? To ensure that they can have a police force that they can trust, they can walk on the road and feel like a police officer is doing what he's supposed to do, serve and protect. That is the purpose of the police of Indecom, right? So why when a police officer involved in a shooting in a bed, in a house, Indecom can investigate? You help me understand that. And you're going to tell me that Indecom don't have too much power? No, if I am in my bed, I'd have to defend my life, the life of my wife, and the life of my son. I'd have to go through such interrogation from Indecom. What do you think is going to happen when I put on my uniform and go outside to serve? On to be honest with yourself, what do you think is going to happen when I have to put on my uniform and go outside, go serve the public? If defending my own house comes under question like that, why? Let me tell you something.
So basically what this man is on social media is saying that Indecom is overusing their authority or misusing their power. And the one liquor example I get was BS, because this is one of very few incidents with Indecom. And my problem with this is, okay, if Indecom is misusing their authority, report them, say something to them, get something done. But this is the same oversight body you're trying to get rid of that will hold these police officers accountable for what they're doing. The same police officer them will pull a gun per citizen. The same police officer that killed the 8-month pregnant woman, shoot his sister and the pregnant woman, and blamed it on stress. The same police officers that for years, when left alone, misused their authority and made corruption so bad within the force, within JDF and JCF, that it couldn't be handled by them. Jamaica had to create a whole oversight body for them, just so they could do the jobs that they were hired to do. And you want to complain about Indecom? Indecom has 138 cops that needs to be held accountable for stuff that they have done and needs disciplinary actions against them. And these cases have been investigated and reported on since, some of them as far back as 2010. And nothing has been done. These are investigations that have been completed, and they know that they misuse their authority. They know that they're corrupt cops. They know that they take bribery. They know everything, because a complete investigation was done of 138 cops. And still, it's 2018 now, and I reported this in 2017, and still nothing has been done to those 138 police officers. But this man is on Facebook or on social media talking about Indecom is misusing their authority. Okay, Indecom is misusing their authority. Report them. Why isn't any of the police officers reporting them? Why is any of the police officers crying out for help and saying that they feel a certain way? He claims that this is why the crime rate has spiked, because the police officers in Jamaica is scared to use their weapon or scared to fire their weapon, because they are scared that Indecom is going to make them get arrested. If you work within the confines of the law, and my family works in law enforcement, that's facts, in Jamaica, and they don't work no desk job, they don't no administrator. Okay, if you work within the confines of the law, you should never be scared of Indecom. Okay, if a bad man they shoot off of you and you shoot back, then you're working within the confines of the law. If you do that, then why are you so scared to be questioned on or off duty? Whether when you pull your gun on a citizen and you're a person in government, or you're a person that is elected to serve and protect residents of a specific place, why don't you think you should get questioned? In any other country, United States included, if you're a police officer and you pull your weapon on a civilian or a citizen, they're going to question you why. And why do the JDF or JCF think they're different? They're any different? They're not beyond reproach. They're not beyond questioning, okay? Because they were left for years to misuse their authority. And now when someone is actually holding them accountable is when they want to come on social media and cry about it and complain about it. I'm sorry, but I don't feel sorry for any police officer that Indecom has to investigate. If Indecom investigates you, then they have a reason behind it, whether it's to arrest you or whether it's for you to make sure that you're not involved in any criminal activities, you're not taking briberies, you're not misusing your authority. Me no feel sorry for none of uno. Okay? None of uno. So he can stay on social media and talk all the BS he wants to in the world. But the good, law-abiding police officers that actually are there to protect and serve our people, I'm 100% sure, and that are working within the confines of the law in Jamaica, has no problem with Indecom questioning them. So anybody that has a problem with Indecom questioning them, I'm so sorry, but me no sorry for you. And I'm sure a lot of other people don't feel sorry for you. All you have to do is work within the confines of the law. It's not that hard. If you pull your weapon on a civilian, whether you're on duty or off duty, you should be questioned. You're a person. You're not a civilian anymore. You're not a resident. You're not just a regular person. You are going to be questioned. People are going to hold you to a higher standard. That comes without saying. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think about what this man had to say. Tell me what you guys think. What about what I had to say? And I have to say, if the Indecom is misusing their power, then I agree. Yes, there should be something done about it. There should be guidelines for Indecom. But when you are on here spreading propaganda and spreading one of very few incidents, like he only could give one example of when Indecom was misusing their authority, one single one, then I'm sorry, sir, you don't have enough evidence for your case, and I rest my case right there. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Deuces.